Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to download and install Better Discord. To do it, you have to just go to Google, search for Better Discord and click on this first link here. Once you click on here, you will get this option of download, right? And just go and click on download here. It will start downloading, so you have to just wait for a few seconds and instantly it will get downloaded. By the way guys, if you just want to download theme something, you can just go here. There's a lot of themes available here and you can just access anyone and click on just download. Now once it get downloaded, just open it up, right? And the setup will get open, right? And as you can see here on the screen, to install it, it's normal, just like how you install any another. Just like click on accept the license agreement. Now click on install Better Discord, right? If you're installing for the first time, just go and click on next, and here you have to select the browser. For example, this is a Discord which is already installed in my device. I'll just go and click on browse and click on install. That's it. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.